Welcome to Derma India, where groundbreaking yet affordable skincare technologies are crafted with precision and care. Always at the forefront, Derma India leads the industry by being the first to bring the latest skincare technologies to India. Founded with a vision to redefine skincare solutions, Derma India has paved its path by offering modern products that cater to the diverse needs of dermatologists, cosmetologists, and skincare professionals worldwide.
I'm Saran partner, Derma India. It was early 2000. Myself and my friend, Mr. Raja, were having a tea discussing so many things. During the discussion, I was suggesting him that let us start an exclusive company which deals with dermatology product. Name it as Derma India. The moment he heard the name, he was really impressed. But then he wanted some time to decide about joining with me and starting the company. After a couple of days, he said, okay, let's join together and start this company, Derma India.
My name is Raja. I'm from Derma India. We crossed more than 35 years in our medical equipments field.
When we started in the year 2000, it was not easy. Like any other new beginning, it was really tough. We had our office in my bedroom, and then we had a small rented car shed for keeping the stocks. Myself and Mr. Raja was running around for all sales, production, and conferences, all sales related works we were doing together. My wife was taking care of the administration and she was attending the phone calls.
When we started, we have only 2 members. Now we have 182 members in our Derma India family.
The administration department stands as the silent orchestrator of the company's symphony. We strategize, coordinate, and ensure smooth operations across all departments. Our aim is to foster a collaborative work environment for seamless functioning. Behind closed doors, brainstorming sessions echo with innovative ideas, while precision in planning ensures a seamless workflow, guiding Derma India toward its aspirational goals.
In the very beginning, the best support and total support by my wife and my daughter only. In this Derma India family, the people, those who are joined with us, they're more than 22 years with us.
Derma India's Research and Development Department is an epicenter of curiosity and creativity. A team of visionaries brings the future to life within laboratories filled with exploration.
We have an in-house R&D wing, which is ably supported by a lot of expert minds from outside the country and in the country. We get the support from our suppliers of spare parts, who gives us a lot of inputs on developing the product. In the process, we are able to give an international quality product, and also we are able to give a customized products for the Indian conditions.
The procurement department is the silent architect behind the scenes. With a unique approach, we carefully select solutions that meet market needs, ensuring the right product at the right cost. Sourcing high-quality materials is our priority. We focus on ensuring reliability and quality in every material we procure.
We have been importing the finished products about 4 or 5 years back. But for the last 4 or 5 years, we have started manufacturing the products with the help of our R&D department, importing spares from different countries like Germany, US, Korea, Israel, even China. We are getting some parts and then we are assembling it in-house.
When you walk onto the buzzing floor of Derma India's production facility, you will see a masterful fusion of technology and workmanship. As pioneers in manufacturing, we were the first in India to craft a variety of dermatology lasers, showcasing innovation in our manufacturing processes.
We discussed about the Wallman phototherapy. We launched in CMC Vellore. We seen that one, it comes to around that time more than 6 lakhs.
In the year 2004, we started importing lasers, and we priced those lasers at a very, very competitive price. It was much less than the competitors because of the fact that we were able to market the product at a much lesser price. Our overheads were less and the products were not over-engineered.
Each machine is carefully assembled and tested to ensure its peak performance. This department is an incubator for invention, and its pursuit of excellence is obvious in every precisely constructed machine that comes off the line. Moreover, the recent launch of Mystique Array stands as a testament to the company's commitment to innovation. This exclusive collection, consisting of 10 unique products, showcases intriguing, appealing, and distinctive features designed to meet the ever-evolving needs of our customers.
Hi, I'm Karthikeyan, All India Manager, Derma India. Capstone product, which is a diode laser, 808 nanometer, the triple wave and the 4 wave, that is the quadruple. So all three ranges we have in Capstone. It will have 4 set of handpieces along with that. We can easily remove it and easily detachable rather. According to the area we are going to operate, we can easily manipulate those handpieces for the particular procedures. In addition to this Mystic Array products, we have surgical range, diagnosis range and therapeutical ranges.
We firmly believe that our best is not expensive, prioritizing quality without compromising cost. In the packing unit, each product is carefully and precisely cradled, then wrapped in layers of assurance. Our responsibility is to ensure safe packaging for every machine.
Derma India products are being exported to different Asian countries. We have exclusive distributors in UAE, Nepal, Bangladesh, and we do direct marketing in Sri Lanka.
We meticulously wrap and label each unit, ensuring they reach our customers securely and in perfect condition. This crew ensures that every machine is wrapped in a protective shell before kicking off on its journey. Timeliness is the mantra here. From coordinating schedules to optimizing routes, the delivery and distribution team ensures that each machine reaches its destination with the precision of a clock's tick. Timely delivery and customer satisfaction are our primary goals. Derma India actively participates in global conferences, organizing exclusive workshops for upcoming dermatologists.
2023 January to 2024 January, we attended 37 conferences all over India and abroad.
Beyond the purchase, our heartbeat is after-sales service, a guiding light in a world of queries.
We strongly believed to be successful in this business, you have to take care of your customers. Unless or until you take care of the equipment which you sell, you will not get repeat customers. We believe strongly on that aspect. And then we said, service is survival.
Derma India is certified by Otabu Certification Private Limited, meeting the stringent requirements of the ISO 9001-2015 quality management system and ensuring top-notch quality in our processes and products. Derma India is at the cutting edge of skincare technology, transforming the industry with a wide selection of advanced products. Our never-ending commitment to excellence, dedication to international standards, and fast after-sales service has won the trust of distinguished medical experts all over the nation. Join us as we continue our journey, setting new benchmarks in skincare technology and ensuring a brighter future for all.